Hello students, welcome to my study channel. So it is for class 8 students and today we will discuss the questions of exercise 2.2. We'll do the solution. So they are the word problems. So you should remember what to do initially when you attempt the word problems. It is your first duty. You first understand the question. Read mindfully, thoroughly. Understand the question. What it demands. Thoroughly you should understand the question. Next, write the information. Write the information given in the question. Number 3, from the statement you pick the algebraic expression and use it in the form of equation. That is most important. And number 4, you mark the sentence which is attached with the question mark, what it demands, and you start from that. You start answering from that. So let us start solving the question number 1. So you see, question number 1, if you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 upon 2, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? So you see, what is the required number from which we have to subtract 1 upon 2? Then you will get a difference. Yes. So first you go to the sentence that is attached with the question mark. What is the number? So I will write, let the number be, let the required number be x. Then from the statement we will have to build the algebraic expression and we will use it in the form of equation. You see, if you subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, already you have taken the number x. So according to the question you will have to write, according to the question, you see, we will subtract 1 upon 2 from a number, so that will be x minus 1 upon 2. So this is the difference or this is the result, and we have to multiply this difference by 1 upon 2. So we will give a bracket here, that 1 upon 2. So that is equal to, we get 1 upon 8. That is equal to 1 upon 8. So you see, this is the equation and we have to solve it. It is very much important in the word problem. You build the equation, you pick the algebraic expression from the statement and use in the form of equation and solve it. That means you find the root of the solution. That means you get the definite value of the unknown number which you have taken. Let the required number be x. So you can do it easily. You may give or that implies sign. So you see here, it is equal to 1 upon 8 divided by 1 upon 2, that is into 2 upon 1. That is equal to 1 upon 4. That implies x is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. And you see, the LCM of 4 and 2, that is 4. So we have to make the denominator same. So how we will do this? That is equal to, you see, here already it is 4 as the denominator. Into 2 into 2. We may write LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 2. That implies x is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. The common denominator is 4. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 upon 4. So this is the solution. So this is the required number that has been asked. X is equal to 3 upon 4. So you may check it. If necessary, you may check it. You will see the value of the algebraic expression on the left hand side of this equation is equal to the right hand side. So like this you will solve it. Don't worry, all the questions, the answers of all the questions already I have done it, and also I have reflected the photos of the answer sheets, and it is towards the end of the video clip. Don't worry, just I want to make you understand through the equations. Okay, so you will do it. So this is question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? You see, you can make it like this. You can make a rough. So this is a rectangular swimming pool. This is length, this is breadth. And you see, perimeter is given, that is equal to 154 meter. You know what perimeter is? Okay? So you see, you take the sum of all sides. That is the perimeter or not? That is the boundary of the swimming pool. So you see, perimeter is equal to 154 meter and it is in a rectangular shape. So, what relation stands here between the length and the breadth? Length is 2 meter more. The expression you see, the length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So, the length of the length that depends on breadth. So, we may take, let the breadth be x meter. X meter. So what will be length? So I want to make you understand how to form the equation, how will you reach up to that. So first you write the information, then we will collect the algebraic expression from the statement and we will use the algebraic expression in the equation. Okay, so what is length? Now it is twice 2 meter more than twice of breadth. So twice of breadth is x meter. So twice of breadth means that is 2x meter. Yes or no? Then 2 meter more than the twice of breadth. That means 2x meter plus 2 meter. You may write like this: 2x plus 2. Keep it in a bracket. And you write the common unit meter here. So this is the length and this is the breadth. So the length is 2x plus 2 meter and breadth is x meter. So we have to find the length and breadth of the swimming pool. That means what is L and what is B? What is its value? Oh, okay. So you see, according to the question, we can develop here, you see, to fall into length plus breadth. That is the perimeter of a rectangle. So it is a rectangular swimming pool. That is equal to perimeter or not? Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. So from this we will start solving. How you see? To whole into length is 2x plus 2 meter, but we will not write meter. Why? I will tell you later. Plus b. What is b? X. That is equal to 154 meter. You see, here it is meter, here it is meter, here it is meter. So we may cancel meter from both those sides. So that implies 2 whole into, you just reduce the bracket, 2x plus x plus 2, that is equal to 154. That is equal to 2 whole into 3x plus 2, that is equal to 154. That implies, you see, we may do like this, 3x plus 2, that is equal to 154 divided by 2. We may do like this, 2 1 is 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 7s are, that is 77. That implies 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. That implies 3x is equal to, you transpose, here it is plus 2, so when in the right hand side you transpose plus 2, that will be minus 2. So 77 minus 2, that is equal to 75. That implies x is equal to 75 upon 3. That is equal to 25. So we will write 25 here. We got the definite value of the variable x is equal to 25. So breadth is 25 meter. So what is length? So you may, in the next step, you just imply, that implies 2x plus 2. That is equal to 2 into 25 plus 2. That is equal to 50 plus 2. That is equal to 52. That means the length is 52 meter and the breadth is 25 meter. So you will solve like this. Don't worry. At the end of this video clip, already I have provided the photos of the answer sheets. You will see that and you will follow that. Just I am working here, just I want to make you understand. So we'll go to the next problem. Question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 upon, no, it is 4 whole number and 2 upon 15 centimeters. So what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? You know, it is an isosceles triangle. Suppose the length of AB is equal to length of AC and BC is called the base. So it is 4 upon 3 centimeter. So what it has been given? The perimeter of the triangle. So the sum of all the 3 sides is equal to, that is the perimeter. So perimeter is given here, that is 4 whole number and 2 upon 15 centimeter. And we have been asked to know the length of either of the remaining equal sides. So let it be x centimeter. So it will be x centimeter. So what is the perimeter? Now we will have to add the 3 sides. You see, what are the lengths of the 3 sides? You see, x centimeter plus x centimeter plus 4 upon 3 centimeter, that is equal to 4 whole number and 2 upon 15 centimeter. That is the perimeter. So according to the question, you write x plus 4 upon 3. That is equal to 4 whole number and 2 upon 15. That is equal to 62 upon 15. It is not necessary to mention the unit because in the left hand side you see, from both the left hand side and from the right hand side we have cancelled the units, same units. So just write like this. So that implies, you may write or give the symbol of implies, 2x plus 4 upon 3, that is equal to 62 upon 15. So we have to isolate the literal or the variable. So what we have to do? Now we have to transpose. So plus 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 will be transposed to right hand side. So the sign will be changed. The inverse operation, that will be minus 4 upon 3 in the right hand side. So that implies 2x is equal to 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. So you see, here it is 15, here it is 3. And you see, we have to make the denominator same, so take the LCM. So 15 is the multiple of 3, so 15 is the LCM of 15 and 3. So that is equal to, you may write here, 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3. You multiply 5 here by the denominator and also by the numerator. And you write here LCM of 15 and 3 is equal to 50. So that implies 2x is equal to 62 divided by 15 minus 20 upon 15, that is equal to common denominator is 15. So you take the difference of the numerator 62 minus 20, that is equal to 42 upon 15. That implies x is equal to, so here we will compare between 2x and 42 upon 15. So x is equal to 42 upon 15 divided by 2, that means into 1 upon 2. 2 1 is 2. So 21 2s are 42. So 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. So what is the value of x? 7 upon 5. So what is the, so we are having two equal sides in an isosceles triangle. So what is the value of x? 7 upon 5. So here it is 7 upon 5 centimeter. Here it is also 7 upon 5 centimeter. So either of the remaining equal sides, we got 7 upon 5 centimeter each. So don't worry, you will follow the answer sheet already that has been given at the end of the video clip. Just this is the calculation you have to do. So I want to just make you understand how to do, what to do. So we will just discuss, we are discussing. So this is question number 3 is over. We will move to question number 4. Question number 4, yes. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, you see sum of two numbers is 95. When you will start writing the what problem. That means you attempt. What you do first? You write the information first. That is most important. Okay. Then you see from the statement where is the algebraic expression, and that can be used in the equation. Mention that, and you solve the equation and get the solution. Okay. So you see sum of two numbers is 95. So sum is given 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, so let it be one number be x. So the other number, it may be x plus 15 or it may be x minus 15. Either you may take these two numbers or these two numbers. It depends on you. So sum of two numbers is 95. So according to the question, we got the equation here. What? The sum of two numbers, suppose I will take one number is x and the other number is x minus 15. So plus of x minus 15. So the difference between x and x minus 15 is 15 or not? Yes. And the difference between x plus 15 and x, that is the difference is 15. So you just add. So it is the sum or not? Yes. That is equal to 95. Yes. Yes, it is 95. So you will solve. That implies You just release the bracket. 2x is equal to 95 plus 15 because minus 15. Okay, so when it will be in the right hand side, it will be transposed, it will be plus 15. That implies 2x is equal to, you just add this will be 110. That implies x is equal to 110 divided by 2. So this is 55. So x is equal to 55. So if x is equal to 55, that implies x minus 15. 55 minus 15, that is equal to 40. You see, one number is 55 and the other number is 40. You just add them, you see the sum is 95 or not. So you may take x or x plus 15. You do. Or you take x minus 15. But here it has been taken as x and x minus 15. Okay? You do like this or you do like this, it depends on you. But in both cases, the answer will be same. So we will move to the question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Okay? If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? You see, you know what ratio is. Already you have studied in class 7 or also in class 6. What ratio means? What ratio means? Already you know. It is a comparison of division. I don't want to take time. It is a comparison of division. So two numbers are in the ratio 5:3 if they differ by 18. So if they are in the ratio, let two numbers be five is to 3. Yes, let two numbers be 5x and 3x respectively. Let two numbers be 5x and 3x respectively. We knew it from its ratio. That was 5:3. That means 5 upon 3. So one number we took 5x and the other one is 3x. You see 5x upon 3x. That means 5 into x divided by 3 into x. So the ratio is 5:3. We have not done anything. Just we have written like this, let two numbers be 5x and 3x respectively. These are the two numbers. So they differ by 18. That means we have to take away the smaller number from the greater number. The 5x minus 3x. So the difference is given 18. So this is the equation. We can get the solution, we can find the definite value of the variable. That implies 5x minus 3x. You see these are the numerical coefficients, these are the coefficients. You take the difference of the coefficients because both base with power. That means these are the like terms on it. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. So 2x is equal to 18. That implies 2x means 2 is multiplied by x. So x is equal to 18 divided by 2. 2 1 is to 2 9. So that is x is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, that implies what is 5x? 5 into x, that is equal to 5 into 9, that is equal to 45. And what is the value of 3x? 3x is equal to 3 into x, that is equal to 3 into, what is the value of x? 9, that is equal to 27. Therefore, the two numbers are 45 and 27 respectively. You may do like this because you see 45 upon 27. So by the common factor you divide both the numerator and the denominator. So you see here, so 315, 39, yes sir, 3 3s, 3 5s. Or 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27. So you see the ratio is 5 is to 3 or not. So what a ratio gives us, it just makes us know the relative sizes. It doesn't give us the actual size, it gives the relative size. But the actual size is this, we have 45 and we have 27. So the ratio is 5 is to 3. So this is the answer. So we will move to the next number, question number 6. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Three consecutive integers add up to 51. So the sum of three consecutive integers, suppose you see 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, these are the consecutive integers. You start from negative integers or positive integers. So consecutive means the difference between two integers is 1. So you see three consecutive integers, if I take x, one integer I will take x. The next one maybe it will be x plus 1, x plus 2. You may take like this. Or if you want to take one number is x, next one is x plus 1, and the predecessor is just to write x minus 1. So you see between two consecutive numbers the difference is 1 or not. So there are also three consecutive integers. So if you add them, what will be the sum? That is 51. So you write, let the three consecutive integers be x minus 1, x and x plus 1. So you add them, x minus 1 plus x plus 1. This is equal to 51. Yes. This is equal to 51. So this is the equation and we have to solve. So you bring the like terms, x plus plus 1 minus 1 cancels, that is equal to 51. That means 3x is equal to 51. That implies x is equal to 51 upon 3, that is equal to 17. That implies what is x minus 1? I got the value of x. So what is x minus 1? That is 17 minus 1. That is 16. And what is x plus 1? That is 17 plus 1. That is 18. So we got 16, 17 and 18. These three are the consecutive integers. And you add them, the sum will be 51. So you may do like this, or you may take x plus 1 and x plus 2. So this question number 5, 6 is over. Then come to question number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8. Suppose you see. So you see the multiplication table of 8. Suppose I will tell 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48 and 8 4s are 32. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. What happens you see? Consecutive multiples. So you see 32, 40, 48, these are the consecutive multiples of 8. Condition, if the number be 8 and multiple of 8. So the consecutive multiples of 8 will be like this. Starting from 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, like this, 56, like this it will continue. These are the consecutive multiples of 8. So first you see, when I multiply 5 by 8 into 5, the product is 40. So what was the previous multiple of 8? Now it is less than 1/8, that is 32. Yes. But when I am multiplying 8 into 6, that means when it was 8 into 5, 8 into 5, you see just 8 into 5. So this sum is 40. When I am adding 1/8 extra, then this addition gives me the sum 48. So how many 8s are here? 6. The number is 6. So 8 into 6 is equal to 48. So we may start like this. You see. So if one number be x, that is the multiple of 8, the next number will be x plus 8, because I am discussing about the multiple of 8. Then the next number, that will be x plus 8 plus 8, that is x plus 16. You may take like this, the three consecutive multiples of 8. If you take first x, then the next multiple of 8 will be x plus 8, and the next will be x plus 8 plus 8, that is x plus 16. You may take like this, three consecutive multiples of 8. Otherwise, you may take like this. Let it be x. What is the just previous number which is the multiple of 8? That is x minus 8. And what is the next multiple of 8 after x? That will be x plus 8. You may take this. So if you take like this, it will be easier for you in the equation. How you see? X minus 8 plus x plus 8. These are the three consecutive multiples of 8. And the sum is given 888. So this is the equation. In one side there is the algebraic expression, we have to find the value, yes or no? So bring the like terms, x plus 8 minus 8 cancels here, that is equal to 888. That implies 3x is equal to 888. That implies what is x? Now 3 is multiplied by x. So what is x? Now 888 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 6s are 18. So that is equal to 296. So what is the value of x? 296. I got it. And I have taken the other number x plus 8, also the another number x minus 8. So what is x plus 8? That implies x plus 8 is equal to 296 plus 8. That is 304. And what is x minus 8? That is equal to 296 minus 8. That is equal to 288. So these are the three consecutive multiples of 8. You just add them. 296, 304 and 288. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 plus 4 18. Carry 1 here. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 0. Carry 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 0. 3 plus 2 5 plus 3. You see. The sum is 800. So you will do like this. At the end of the video clip, you will follow how to maintain, how to write the word problems systematically. You will follow. So just I want to make you understand. We are discussing. The question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Okay? So we have to take integers and they should be consecutive integers, and we should take in an increasing order. Okay? So 3 consecutive integers in an increasing order. So if I write x, then x plus 1 and x plus 2. These are 3 consecutive integers. Otherwise I may write x minus 1, x and x plus 1. These 3 are also consecutive integers. And we have to multiply 2, 3 and 4 to x minus 1, x and x plus 1 respectively. So I have to multiply 2 by x minus 1. So that is 4 into x minus 1. And we have to multiply 3 to x. That will be 3x. And 4 to x plus 1 in the increasing order. So that will be 4 whole into x plus 1. And we have to add them. If we will add them, what will the sum? That will be equal to 74. So this is the equation. So that implies we will have to open the bracket. So this is 2x minus 2 plus 3x plus 4x plus 4. That is equal to 74. It is very easy, you just mark. That is equal to, that implies you bring the like terms, 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 4 minus 2, that is equal to 74. So you see 2 plus 3, you may do like this. You may give a bracket or may not. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9x plus 4 plus of minus 2, that is 2, that is equal to 74. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 2, we have to transpose plus 2 to the right hand side. So the sign will be changed, that is equal to 72, I write here. That implies x is equal to 72 upon 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 8s are 72. So that is 8. So I got one integer, record integer x is equal to 8. That implies what is the value of x minus 1? That is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. And x plus 1, that is equal to 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9. So 3 consecutive numbers we got 7, 8 and 9. So these are the answers we will have to write. Okay. So question number 9, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. That is their present ages. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? You see, always you will mark in a word problem, the sentence you will mark to that sentence which is attached with a question mark. What it has been asked. Now, what are their present ages? So, who are two fellows? Now, Rahul and Harun. You see, age of Rahul, ratio of age of Rahul to the age of Harun. First Rahul, then Harun. So Rahul says and Harun's age. What is the ratio here? That is 5:7. That means 5 upon 7. This is the relative size. Okay, this ratio is the relative. This was the relative size, 5:7. So first, Rahul says the ratio of Rahul says to Harun says is 5:7. It's okay. So it has been asked, what are their present ages? Let the present age of Rahul. Suppose present. Let the present age of Rahul or Rahul says be 5x. Then what will the Harun says? Present age, that will be 7x. So this is Harun's present age. That will be 7x and present age of Rahul is 5x. 4 years later, after 4 years, so after 4 years, what will be the age of Rahul? After 4 years, Rahul will be, now you write here 5x years, it will be easier for you because when you do the equation, we can cancel the units, okay? So write years, it's okay. So after 4 years, what will be Rahul says? 5x years plus 4 years, that is 5x plus 4 years. This is of Rahul. What is of Harun? After 4 years, now 7x plus 4 and you keep it in the bracket because years is for both 4 and for 5x, it is for 7x here. And what happens? We will go through the question. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So, after 4 years, Rahul says will be 5x plus 4 years. Harun says will be 7x plus 4 years. So, if you add both their years after 4 years from their present ages, the sum will be equal to 56 years. So according to the question, what is the equation we may develop here? 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. I do not mention the unit here. I do not write such years, months, nothing. That is equal to 56. Well, here it is years, here it is years, here it is years. We cancel the units. So you just open the bracket. 5x plus 7x, you bring the like terms, plus 4, that is equal to 56. So 5x plus 7x, that is 12x, plus 8 is equal to 56. That implies, what is 12x? Because we have to isolate x, we have to find the value of x. So we have to isolate x, so we have to take away plus 8, we have to transpose to the right hand side, it will be minus 8 on the right hand side, so 56 minus 8, that is equal to 48. So what is the value of x? Now 12 is multiplied by x, so x is equal to 48 divided by 12. that is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. That implies 5x is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20, and 7x, that is equal to 7 into x, that is equal to 7 into 4, that is equal to 28. So what we got? The 5x is equal to 20 and 7x is equal to 28. So this was Rahul's percentage. This was Harun's percentage. You see their ratio 20 upon 28. So this is 5 upon 7 or 5 is to 7. So we check it. So in this way you will solve it. And the question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Class strength means what is the total number of students in that class. That means the number, we will have to take the sum of the number of boys and the number of girls in that class. So you see, question number 10, the number of boys and number of girls. So number of boys, this is the information you will have to write. Number of girls, number of boys to the ratio of number of boys to number of girls is equal to 7:5. That is 7 upon 5. And the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Then the girls are more in number or the boys are more in number? The boys. And the difference between the number of boys and the number of girls is 8. So let the number of boys be 7x and let the number of girls be 5x. So what is the difference between the two numbers, that of boys and that of girls? What is the difference? So here it is the equation 7x minus 5x. If you take away 5x out of 7x, that is 8. Because you see, what is 7x? The number of boys. That means the number of girls plus 8. So 8 more than the number of girls. This is the number of girls. So from the statement, you have to pick the algebraic expression and use it in the equation and solve it. Find the root. So what is the total class strength? So we have to know the value of x, and from x we will know what is the value of 7x, what is 5x, and we will add them and get the sum. Okay. So that implies 7 minus 2, that is 2x is equal to 8. That implies x is equal to 4. That implies 7x is equal to 7 into 4, that is equal to 28, and 5x is equal to 5 into x, 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. So you see how many boys are present? 20. How many girls are present? Sorry, how many boys are present? 28. How many girls are present? 20. You see the difference is 8 or not? So it was 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the class strength? That means the total number of students, that means the number of boys plus the number of girls. That means 28 plus 20. What is the value? That is 48. So this is the class strength. So systematically I am not writing this, it will be time taking. Already I have provided the answer sheet towards the end of the video clip. Don't worry, just I want to make you understand how to solve the problem, how to attempt, what to do, just we are discussing, okay? So this is question number 10.